Fantastic facts about the natural. Get ready to explore the magic that exists all around us. The incredible intelligence of plants may seem like passive life forms, but they possess a remarkable level of intelligence and awareness. For instance, did you know that plants can see? While they don't have eyes, they use light-sensitive proteins to detect changes in their environment. This ability allows them to orient themselves towards the sun, a process known as phototropism, ensuring they get the maximum amount of sunlight for photosynthesis. Some plants are even capable of movement and quick reactions. Take the Venus flytrap, for example. This carnivorous plant can snap shut in less than a second when it senses an unsuspecting insect, thanks to specialized trigger hairs on its leaves. The mechanism behind this rapid movement is a complex interplay of electrical signals and water pressure changes, making it one of nature's most fascinating adaptations. And did you know that plants can communicate with each other? Through a network known as the Wood Wide Web, trees and plants exchange nutrients and information via symbiotic fungi called mycorrhizae. This underground network allows them to warn each other about environmental threats, such as pests or droughts. It's a complex and cooperative system that shows just how interconnected life truly is. The mysterious lives of animals. Animals, like plants, have evolved some extraordinary traits to survive and thrive. For instance, chameleons are famous for their color-changing abilities, but contrary to popular belief, they don't change colors just to blend in. Instead, these color shifts are primarily for communication, temperature regulation, and expressing emotions. Their skin contains specialized cells called chromatophores, which can expand or contract to alter their appearance. Then there are hummingbirds, the tiny acrobats of the avian world. These birds can flap their wings up to 80 times per second, allowing them to hover in place and even fly backwards. This incredible feat requires an exceptionally high metabolism, so much so that they need to consume their own body weight in nectar daily to sustain their energy levels. Speaking of cooperation, ants are masters of teamwork. Army ants, for instance, can form living bridges with their bodies to traverse gaps in their path. This astonishing behavior demonstrates a high level of collective intelligence and problem-solving. By linking their bodies together, they create a sturdy structure that can support the weight of thousands of fellow ants. The wonders of the ocean. The ocean is home to some of the most mysterious and mesmerizing phenomena on our planet. One such marvel is the synchronized swimming of fish schools. This behavior, known as shoaling, isn't just for show. It's a highly efficient defense mechanism against predators. By moving as a single, fluid unit, the fish create confusion and reduce the chances of any one individual being singled out. Deep beneath the ocean's surface lies a realm of bioluminescent creatures. These organisms produce their own light through chemical reactions, a process called bioluminescence. From glowing jellyfish to anglerfish with their eerie, light-emitting lures, these creatures use bioluminescence for various purposes, such as attracting prey, communicating, and even camouflaging themselves in the dark depths. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are another wonder of the ocean. These vibrant ecosystems are built by tiny, soft-bodied animals called coral polyps, which secrete calcium carbonate to form the hard, protective structures we see. What's truly fascinating is that despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor, coral reefs support approximately 25% of all marine species, showcasing an incredible diversity of life. The secrets of forests and trees. Forests are not just collections of trees, They are complex dynamic systems that play crucial roles in the Earth's ecology. Did you know that some trees can live for thousands of years? The Great Basin bristlecone pine, for instance, can live for over 5,000 years, making it one of the oldest living organisms on the planet. These ancient trees have witnessed vast changes in the Earth's climate and landscape, standing as silent sentinels of history. Trees also have a vital function in regulating our climate. Through a process called transpiration, trees release water vapor into the atmosphere. This not only helps cool the air, but also contributes to cloud formation and precipitation patterns. In fact, large forests like the Amazon are often referred to as the lungs of the Earth because they produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide, playing a critical role in the global carbon cycle. But perhaps one of the most fascinating aspects of forests is their hidden underground network. Much like the Wood Wide Web we mentioned earlier, forests have complex root systems that communicate with each other. This network allows trees to share nutrients and even warn each other of potential threats, like disease or insect infestations. It's a sophisticated system that ensures the health and stability of the forest ecosystem. Extreme environments and adaptations. Nature's adaptability is truly remarkable, as evidenced by the diverse life forms that thrive in extreme environments. Deserts, for example, are some of the harshest places on Earth, yet they are home to a surprising array of life. Cacti, with their thick, fleshy stems, have evolved to store water, allowing them to survive long periods without rain. Their spines not only protect them from herbivores, but also provide shade and reduce water loss. In stark contrast, alpine environments present their own set of challenges. Mountain goats, with their specialized hooves, can traverse steep, rocky slopes with ease. These animals have developed incredible balance and agility, allowing them to navigate terrain that would be impossible for most other creatures. And then there's the tardigrade, one of the most resilient organisms known to science. These microscopic creatures, also known as water bears, can survive extreme conditions that would be lethal to most other life forms. They can endure temperatures ranging from near absolute zero to over 150 degrees C, survive in the vacuum of space, and withstand intense radiation. Tardigrades achieve this by entering a state called cryptobiosis, where they essentially shut down their metabolism and become almost indestructible.